Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. So we've got an escalator and it can transport 51 people with a mass of 76 kilos per person. The incline is 45 degrees. The steady speed is 0.7 meters per second. Find the minimum power required to operate the escalator. Under those conditions, what is the power if the speed is doubled? Step 1, draw your free body diagram. This will help you visualize the problem. So in your FBD, also this will help you figure out which angle to use. Obviously it's 45 degrees, but do you use sine, cosine, tangent? So drawing your escalator FBD will help in figuring that out. Step 2, list all the given values and find the unknown. In this case it is power, so power is W dot, which is work flow rate, work being W and the flow rate being the dot. Step 3, find the power formula. So we got energy in minus energy out is equal to energy of the system, which is equal to 0 because it's steady. So that means we're just looking for our energy going in, which is the energy of the system. So what does that look like? We've got our potential energy because they give us degrees, and that's potential energy over time. So we've got mass times gravity multiplied by the height or elevation in this case because it's an escalator. Okay, so our final formula is the total mass multiplied by gravity multiplied by the velocity of the vertical incline. Step 4, find the total mass. So 51 people multiplied by 76 kilograms. That will give you 3,876 kilograms. Step 5, find the vertical incline velocity. So first of all, which angle do you use? So it is the hypotenuse and the adjacent. So that is sine. So hypotenuse divided by adjacent is your sine. So that is your velocity multiplied by sine 45 degrees. So if we just plug in the velocity, so 0.7 meters per second multiplied by sine 45 degrees, that gives us 0.4950 meters per second. Step 6, we just plug and play. So plug in the mass, the gravity, and the velocity. So the mass is what we just worked out in step 4, right over here. So that's our 3,876 kilograms. We assume gravity to be 9.81 meters per second squared. And then for our velocity, we found it in step 5, which is 0.4950 meters per second. So power will be 18,820.7 kilowatts. Now for step 7, find the power when velocity is doubled. So that's 0.7 multiplied by 2. And then you just multiply by your angle as normal. So that will give you 37,641.4 kilowatts of power. Disclaimers: the method is correct. However, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. So before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. So click on your icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Once you have it open, click on the video option and then click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so you probably won't be able to find it. Or they won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in this video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.